내準備好未？你準備好未？ Okay, cool. Anyways, thank you guys for coming. Appreciate you guys, and yeah, I'm excited. I think this is my first solo performance in Hong Kong, so I'm excited. Thank you guys for coming out, and let's have fun today. Let's go.
Baby, I will see what I want. Need a toxic body, see the love is someone. Need a my life, baby, so it's alright. One more tell now, let's talk alright. Not like you, baby, then it's alright. One more tell now, let's talk alright. Like my talk, baby, I'm happy. 우리 서로 알아듣지 못해 행복한 대화 나비도 해 거울보다 켜서 들어가서 가버리고 한가하고 공연처럼 내 위를 벗어던져 내 생각지가 뻗어 흘리는 하늘 너머 흔들이 반대 어머 여기까지고 숨겨놓은 바닷가에
What song are you most excited to hear? Huh? Moment? What should I eat in Hong Kong? What's that? A 飘菜饭? Oh, you're talking about like fried rice? I actually had fried rice this morning, so. You said 飘, that's fried. 飘菜饭? Fried rice is 飘菜饭? What did it say? Pao? Oh! Mao Cao Fan? Mao Cai Fan? Oh, got it. And that's fried rice? Mao Cao Fan. Got it. Interesting. Anyways, 다음 곡 갈까요? You guys know this song?
Your love is the sweetest sound. I knew my heart just responds. Your touch, I write it down. So high I can't come down. It's hopeless to notice. Baby, like a siren.
Anyways, do you guys like rap? Who likes hip hop? Cool. Let me rap for you guys. Let's go. Yeah. 이 부분만 좀 작구나. Where the party at? Females only go where the party at. Let's go. Once upon a time I was broke. Used to see me as a joke. Now they see me as a goat. Now that me now plus the gold. Why you bros acting like hoes? Swear I got him by the throat. I said I got him by the throat. Now sign with that little nigga, me boss. Check on him down and sign. Shit out of their guys. They put me having my dick in their mouths. I let her oppose it. But niggas been moving like Austin. I father these idols are relevant. Only can't with them like them in Boston. Yeah, that I just enjoy these. I can see that you're about to go with your Boston. Now got your jewelry team. Got the cut and such you all in one. Yes, sir. Now got your jewelry team. Got the cut and such you all in one. Yeah, JAYPARK is never done. Asian boy, put that mic down. That's what they said. Tattoo on their more tail. That's what they said. Child palm big for mine. Yeah, that's what they said. But me, I never gave a fuck about what they said. Look at me now, look at me now. Call me Mr. Show and Prove. Better know why the motherfuckers don't know what to do. Look at me now, call me Mr. Show and Prove. Better know why the motherfuckers don't know what to do. So stay down. If we up, then we up. So motherfuckers stay down. Snakes, what's out for the snakes? Look, the snakes, they be switching up. They can't get enough. No, I never been a gangster, but I can't respect it up. So Marvin being challenging, jerky Ichima. You got Ichima, a fucking woman on me. Okay. I think we're good. Yes. Is there anything you guys want to hear? Not yet. Finally. I'll be on my way. Finally, there's a wish shows. Now tonight you know what you say. Boy, do you want your